So my whole childhood, my dad was letting us know that he was building a house in Nigeria. And it was a big deal that we're all going to come here to see this house. So we're finally here in 2024. So I'm going to let you see the house. And I know some of my family members back in Minnesota are wanting to see the whole thing. So I'm going to give you the full tour right now. Also, please excuse my appearance. I am in the village and I look accordingly. And I've been sweating for 3 days straight. So I'm very dehydrated. So there's a long entryway here. There's a road there. And then there's a big road there. So you have the big main road there. You turn, come in here. And there's a long driveway entrance here. And they block off the road entrance there. And you have to talk to someone to let them know who you're going to go see. And they can let you in to the village area. This is the gate. So this is the entire compound area. This structure is for the house support staff. So the person who oversees the gate, there's a security guard there, and some other people who maintain the outside parts. That is their dwelling. Then this section right here is for my dad's elder brother who passed some years ago. So a lot of people there doing stuff, but that was where he, I guess in memory of him or something, I'm not quite sure. But that was his. And then there's a lot of people are out there. There's some cows that they slaughtered back there. And people over there. That's the van that they purchased to have available here for the trip. Also, today is grandma's, the whole reason of us, the whole point that we came to the village was to celebrate my grandmother, who's 95, allegedly. We don't really know how old she is because they didn't keep records at the time she was born, but they're just saying that she's 95 and they're coming back to do a celebration of life for her while she's still alive. So we're doing a party today. And that's why it's kind of cluttered. So they're setting up tents here and things like that for the party. That's Uchechi's dad, Uncle GB. So we enter the abode. Hilma put up, my sister put up all these Christmas lights to make it festive. Enter like this. This is the entryway. Mama! That is a celebrant who just got her makeup done. Yes, this is the downstairs. Ayo. Okay, so you walk in the front door. So your left here, you have a bathroom. This is the entryway to other parts of the house. We'll come back to hallway there. You come to the right here. Enter here. This is a sitting room. Hello, Auntie. How are you?
I'm fine.
I'm showing my people back home.
Yes, they are coming. They are doing.
No, they're in the U.S.
Yes, they are coming.
No, they're not coming, but they just want to see.
Okay.
So they just want to say hi.
Hi.
Hello. Oh, you want me to take a photo? Okay. This way. Sitting room in there. So then you come to the main living room. And there's a lot of stuff now because it's been a few days. So before it was all put together, but now there's a lot of stuff going on. So this is the main living room. Christmas tree, air conditioning, stockings, photos. I'm sorry. I tried. And here you have a bar area, fridge. You come this way up the stairs to the dining room. I'm showing Chichi you said he wanted to see the tour of the house. So I'm giving him a tour of the house. Yes, that's Auntie Chisara, my mom, who's over it. Sink back there. And then you enter this door from the dining room and you enter the kitchen area. Hello, this is Faith. I'm sending to my brother back home. He wanted to see the house, so I'm just showing him around. So say hi. Hi, this is Faith that's doing so much hard work helping us here for this holiday. So thank you. This is where all the hard work happens in the kitchen. This is the back of the house. From the kitchen, you come down here. You have a pantry area for foodstuffs. You see the staples: plantain, anyara. I think that's onion, potato, yam. Of course, you got lots of rice and some beans and some other things like that. This side is it's locked, but that's okay. It's fine. It doesn't need to be open. There's just a sitting deep chest freezer in there, so there's nothing special there. Hallway. These are some folks hanging out. Can you tell us your name?
Is it me?
Yes.
Chidema.
Chidima. Chidi Ebube. Okay. God is merciful. Having fun with the balloon. So this is the front door, so that hallway leads you into here. There's the kitchen. If you come this way, this is Grandma's room. Hello, Grandma. And that's Grandma's sister. She has a bathroom in there. This is someone else's room. Another auntie who's helping. Oh, yes? Yes?
This picture you snap us now.
Yes.
I like it.
Okay.
And it will give me.
Yes. I'll try. I can make it happen. I'll try to get the photo to you. Okay. Nothing. I'll do more. She said I'm doing okay to understand Igbo. There's another room there, another auntie who's helping us at the house, so her and her baby are staying there. So you come down this hall. This is a bathroom, I believe. Yeah. There's another bathroom in here. So you come here. This leads you again to that entryway. This is somebody's room, I believe. That's Chisra's room over there. And then that is a door to the outside. So yeah, like I said, door to the outside, the side of the house, which I'll try to get to. It's kind of buggy out there. Oh, that's cousin Chinuru. What's your name? Chimeremeze. Yes. Okay, God made me king. Let's go this way. So, you come out this way again. This is the front door. So you take these stairs up to the upper level of the house. I'll put these things here for decoration. There was a decorating committee earlier. So this is the staircase up here. This is the upstairs area. If you go to this first door on your right here, you enter another sitting area. This door leads to the hallway, the wrap around that side. Fridge here, that leads to the patio outside. So there's a sitting area here. You can see Uchina got kicked out from his room. And so now he's homeless in the living room with a bed. It's Snapchat. Yeah. It is 8:38 a.m. Church is at 11. So let's go. Well, let's go to the patio first. Might as well since we're this side. When we first got here, every single door was locked. I had to search through a bag of random keys to find the keys to all the doors. So this is let me close this door before Spider's friends come in. I'm out of breath on those stairs. So this is the balcony that's directly in front of the house. That's the balcony of my parents' bedroom. The side of the house there that I'll try to get to. Now we're back inside the encampment. And you open this door. It leads to another hallway. This is my mom and dad's room. He's sleeping. I thought we're gonna go sleeping. Oh, maybe he got to go to the bathroom. But they got a lot of stuff in here. This is their room. It's pretty big. A lot of stuff. Closet, and then there's a bathroom in there. There's a balcony around to the side there. The door to the balcony. So that's my parents' room. This was our room. I don't want to go in there now because I have an auntie who's staying there now. This is where that spider debacle happened. But because of this room not having heat, not having air conditioning, we switched rooms with Uchina, but then more family members decided to come stay at the house. So Uchina was going to go stay with David, but then he didn't want to, so now he's sleeping on the floor over there. And we're staying in Uchina's room, and my auntie's staying in here. So I don't want to go in there because of privacy. Hallway there, but there's a closet in there that wraps around. Just left where Uchina's staying, staircase. So that room that I didn't go into, it comes out, there's the bathroom in this door. I think I can go in here. So you come in this door. This is where our stuff was before, the closet area. And that's the door to the bedroom. And then this is the bathroom, and there's another hallway here. So that's what this area is. How do you feel?
Great.
I'm giving them the tour. I'll send it to them later. But it's hot, huh? Okay. So we come around this way. This is Hilma's room. Let me see what she's doing. Hilma? I'm giving them a tour. Wow, you're already dressed and ready?
No. Aren't we supposed to be at church by 10?
No, it's 11.
Oh.
And also it's 8:40, so even if it was 10.
Oh.
I'm giving them a tour. That's your bathroom?
Give me who tour? The phone?
Dada and Katie and them.
Oh, yeah, that's fine.
It's Hilma's room. She's staying here with Chinuru. All right, bye. This is the room that we got bumped to. Indy's still sleeping. Oh, no, they're awake.
Do you have a USB charger? Android.
Yeah.
Can I borrow it?
Don't blow it.
It's just for my hand fan, because I don't charge that.
Okay, sure, here. So this is Matt and Indy. Hi, Indy, mommy.
Hello.
We're getting ready. I'm giving them a tour. Chichi and Katie and them on Snapchat. How do you feel?
Better, just waking up.
And hot.
That's why it's really good.
You see I'm sweating already?
Yeah.
I've been doing a tour up and down the place. I'm sweating. We got bumped to here, so all our suitcases are here. But it's good because this room is way cooler and we're not dying of heat stroke. This is our bathroom. Over here. Chichi and Kate, I don't know where y'all would have stayed had you come because 2 bedrooms here, 2 over there, and then David's in this last one over here. So unless you would have stayed downstairs, I don't know where you would have stayed. I'm gonna get David.
You guys have to leave the window open. The poop will show you the issue.
Oh
Because
God.
there's no movement of air. Somebody pooped.
I don't smell anything. This is David's room.
We must leave here by 10:30 because we cannot move. We have to come back to do the event. I give the church. I don't know how.
Good luck with that, David. And this is the door to that living room where Usha is camping out in. So that is basically the whole place we've seen. I have to go take my shower now. So thank you for joining me on this expedition, on this tour. I'm gonna go have my shower now so I don't get yelled at, so I can make it to church on time. Okay, bye. Can you introduce yourself? Yes. Okay. Don't talk right now. You got up.
Where I'm at. These niggas wanna see where
I know. Why do you think one thing just because I'm just.
Because it looks nice, that's why. This is what you
I
wanted?
think that's what I want to wear. Thank you so much.
It's really nice.
It's just knockabout.
We have a problem.
What's that?
The makeup artist.
What?
It's either noted that Mama is too old
For what? This ain't Android.
Yes, it is.
to do the
Oh,
makeup.
that's all I got.
Or
She doesn't want to do it.
makeup on. So
Some people think because she's an old lady, she doesn't have to look beautiful.
or maybe
They think, oh, nobody cares. She's an old
maybe
lady.
anything. Her face is. Oh, she's done. And maybe that Korea for Mama.
How much?
16,000 naira.
16,000?
60.
60,000
because
naira?
she's the celebrant, so her own was higher. Go look at Mama's face. It doesn't look like she has. So this is the thing.
Ah! Looks like he's biting people. What's wrong with you?
Not people, just you and Uchechi.
Do you have an Android?
Mom, can you reenact that, please?
Yeah. Can I borrow it from my
The church service was originally scheduled by 10.
I'll bring it.
And then, is she on Africa?
Yes.
No, you see?
It's okay.
The church service was 10 o'clock. Then we called them and said we are 2 men, we can't be done by 10. But they
We
moved
can't
it
be
to
there on time because we don't know how to be places
So
on time.
we'll move it to 11. So the plan, the church is down here. So the plan is we have to, the first set, nobody's going to walk down that place. So we have the van, it takes 7 people at a time.
Oh.
So the first set will leave at 10:30. The second set will leave at.
I want to be in the second set
Okay, that's
so
fine.
that I don't have to sit outside in the heat.
No, why will you see that? The church has air conditioning.
Oh, okay. Okay, well, let me go shower then.
Yeah, go shower.
Okay, bye.